On the night of the 5th of June, 2026, a sudden and unsettling force rippled through the Bicol Region, Philippines, as a magnitude 5.3-5.4 earthquake struck the province of Albay, sending shockwaves across multiple towns and leaving residents in fear, confusion, and urgency. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, the quake occurred at approximately 21:58 local time, with its epicenter traced near Santo Domingo, Albay. The tremor was strong enough to be felt across nearby areas including Bacacay, Legazpi City, Manito, and parts of Camarines Sur, shaking homes, businesses, and public spaces within seconds.
Oh, grabe ang kusog ilingon na ho. Yan ang nangyari digdi ho. Grabe sa ang kusog kang pagkalinog. Oh, puri sa tinda ko. Oh, naubos kay kaurulaa. Oh, puro yan ang.
What made this earthquake particularly alarming for many residents was not just its sudden impact, but its intensity at shallow depth. In several locations, the ground shaking was described as violent and sustained, causing household items to fall, shelves to collapse, and people to rush outdoors in panic.
Hayop na yan. Hayop na tower, pero tumbang tower.
Mayroon ba kang tower?
CCTV footage that quickly circulated online captured the raw reality of the moment. In Bacacay and Santo Domingo, cameras recorded buildings swaying, electrical fixtures trembling, and store merchandise crashing to the floor as the quake struck without warning. In some clips, entire rooms appear to shake violently, emphasizing just how widespread the tremors were. Local authorities confirmed that minor to moderate infrastructure damage has been reported in several areas. Roads showed visible cracks, and some residential structures sustained damage, particularly older homes not built to withstand seismic activity. Public facilities in affected barangays are currently undergoing inspection to assess safety conditions. The earthquake's reach also extended toward areas surrounding the iconic Mayon Volcano, one of the most active volcanoes in the country. Residents near the volcano reported noticeable ground movement, raising additional concern due to the region's volcanic nature. However, initial monitoring indicated no immediate volcanic eruption threat, though authorities continue to closely observe any unusual activity. Emergency response teams have been deployed across affected municipalities to assist local governments in damage assessment and to ensure public safety. Authorities have also urged residents to remain alert for possible aftershocks, which are common following seismic events of this magnitude. Despite the intensity of the quake, early reports indicate no large-scale casualties have been confirmed so far. However, officials emphasize that assessment is ongoing, and the full extent of structural damage may take time to determine, especially in rural and hard-to-reach areas.
Nagalinog!
Di ka na magtindog, maya ka sana. Lia, umupo.
Umupo ka, Lia!
Pilim sa laog.
Sabi na grabe.
For many residents, the experience was described as terrifying, but brief. People across Albay Province shared stories of running out of their homes, gathering in open spaces, and waiting anxiously for the shaking to stop. In some communities, power interruptions were also reported immediately after the quake. As night turned into early morning, PHIVOLCS reiterated its advisory for continuous vigilance. The agency reminded the public to prepare for possible aftershocks and to avoid entering visibly damaged buildings until they are declared safe. This earthquake serves as another reminder of the Philippines' location along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where tectonic activity is frequent and often unpredictable. For the people of Albay and the wider Bicol region, the focus now shifts from shock and fear to recovery, inspection, and preparedness for what may come next. As monitoring continues, authorities stress one clear message: stay alert, stay prepared, and stay safe.